perfect 10.
Your feet are still in the frame. Hi ladies! Okay, so this is going to be my 10-week update for my pregnancy vlogs. So basically this week I've been feeling so much better, and touch wood, I'm not jinxing myself, but I would say the beginning of the week was a bit rough, but then as we've started to get towards 11 weeks, which I am tomorrow, I have just been feeling so much better. So, symptoms this week, I have had a little bit of nausea, but it's kind of like in the evening, so I'm not taking my Danzatron anymore, I'm just taking my cyclazine, and I take that at about 3 or 4 o'clock, and that kind of like tides me over. But the thing is, I'm still able to like get up and, you know, put dinner on for us after the kids are in bed, and whereas before I'd literally like lay on the sofa and then like collect a plate of food that Matt had cooked for me and then just like quietly eat it whilst feeling sick. So that's got a lot better. My skin as well has got so much better. I used to have all these spots all here and on my face, and they, apart from like that one there, these are like healing, and my face is feeling a lot clearer. So one of the symptoms I've had this week is actually really irritating, is that I can't empty my bladder properly. You know how you sit down, you go for a wee, and then you get up, and as soon as I get up, I feel the urge, like there's still urine in my bladder, and I'm really worried about this because I really don't want to get a UTI. So I have to like sit down, or sometimes I have to like strain a bit or like press some tissue to like get it to come out, and it's really, really frustrating. I have felt little movements now and again, which has been really nice, and I actually heard the heartbeat for the first time. I think that was actually a couple of weeks ago now. These weeks are just, I don't remember what I've said like week to week. I am finding myself really grumpy, especially when, you know, I'm talking to husband and he's found it, you know, that I've just been really moody at the moment. It's normally in the evening when I don't feel very well. I tend to get a bit snappy. But other than that, fingers crossed, everything seems to be going okay at the moment. So I've got my scan, and it literally, the letter arrived yesterday, so I'm so excited about that. And it is for 2 weeks' time. So I will be 12 weeks and I think about 4 days. I will show you my tummy because everyone loves to see a bump shot. So this is with my top on. I've just eaten lunch, so I've got a little bit of a belly. It is mostly just fat though. Nothing really to update too much, other than I'm feeling a lot better, which I'm so pleased about, because going back like 4 weeks ago, I was like really, really poorly and feeling really, really sorry for myself, whereas now it's a lot more controllable and a lot more manageable. So I hope you enjoyed this update. Give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe to me for free to follow my journey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye ladies!
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.